The past few years have been a breathless ride for the world of tech. From developments in artificial intelligence to virtual and augmented reality, smartphones and the internet, to the rise of IoT, there's never been a better time to be a technology enthusiast than right now. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 technology trends for 2023. Number 1. Lithium metal batteries. Lithium metal batteries have every chance to change the balance of power in the car market. Their energy density is equal to 1 kilowatt hour per liter of volume, which is almost twice that of lithium-ion batteries. According to MIT Technology Review, thanks to this, electric cars charge much faster, and most importantly, the charge lasts 80% longer than with lithium-ion batteries. Such indicators remain after 800 cycles. The American startup QuantumScape, which develops lithium metal batteries, conducted its first tests in December 2020. After successful trials, it has already struck a deal with Volkswagen, which will begin producing electric vehicles with these batteries in 2025. Skeptics argue that the test results are still too early to be considered successful. They were carried out on single-layer cells, while in real batteries, they should be multi-layer. In mass production, this can lead to unforeseen risks. Number 2. Bionic ears for everyone. By the year 2023, we may see the implementation of bionic ears. Bionic ears, also known as cochlear implants, will allow deaf people to hear. Currently, cochlear implants are used mainly by adults. However, by 2023, we may see the technology implemented in children. The technology will allow children with hearing loss to hear through a worn device inside their ears. Currently, the cost of bionic ear implants is very high. However, by 2023, the prices of bionic ears may come down, allowing more people to benefit from the technology. Besides, bionic ears may also allow you to use your hearing to play sounds through a device like a speaker or headphones. This may allow you to experience sounds that you usually wouldn't be able to. For example, you may be able to hear the sounds of people you're close to, or listen to nature's sounds, such as a bird or a stream. Number 3. Wi-Fi 6 and 5G. New standards of communication and wireless internet, on the one hand, help to work remotely from one point at high speed. On the other hand, they contribute to the development of the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence and make data transmission more secure. The main benefits that 5G provides. 1. Improved mobile broadband, high-speed video streaming and social networks and online services with minimal signal transmission delays. 2. Large-scale Internet of Things. According to Accenture, with the help of 5G, it will be possible to support up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. 3. Mission-critical services. The new communication standard will ensure the smooth operation of autonomous drones or remote intensive care units. With 5G, many employees will be able to permanently move to remote work, and companies will make faster decisions based on streaming analytics. From 2023 to 2025, technology will bring the US economy up to $2.7 trillion and up to 16 million jobs. The new Wi-Fi 6 standard will add a new 6 GHz frequency to the 2 already available, 2.4 and 5 GHz. It pursues the same goals as 5G. It helps to speed up the internet connection, make it more stable and broadband. It will be possible to connect even more devices to one point. In this case, the network itself will distribute internet traffic between devices, depending on their capacity. Number 4. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality will make a giant leap forward in 2023. Currently, VR and AR technology is mainly used in the gaming industry. However, by 2023, we might see a trend for people to use technology for social interaction and other purposes. For example, imagine being able to communicate with your friends and family via VR. It is also possible that robots will be making their presence felt in our daily lives in the form of AR devices. AR devices will allow you to use your smartphone to interact with objects in real life, similar to augmented reality. Additionally, the cost of VR and AR technology will reduce significantly by 2023, making these technologies more accessible to the public. Apart from using these technologies for entertainment purposes, we may also see people using them for education and business purposes. For example, architects and engineers may use VR/AR to create virtual models of buildings before building them in the real world. Number 5. Blockchain technology. One of the most significant breakthroughs in technology that will occur in 2023 is the implementation of blockchain technology. Currently, blockchain technology is mainly used in the financial sector. However, by 2023, we may see blockchain technology implemented in various industries, including healthcare, government, and education. Blockchain may also allow us to store non-financial data, like medical records, with the help of AI. This could help improve the security and reliability of healthcare delivery while also making it more affordable. Apart from that, we may also see blockchain technology used to store data related to education.